The growing sponge ball is an amazingly visual piece of sponge ball magic. You start with a standard sponge ball, casually placing it into your hand. With no tricky moves or sleight of hand, the ball suddenly expands into a massive sponge ball right before everyone's eyes. This visual piece of magic always gets huge reactions, and best of all, it's 100% self-working. This incredible effect is incredibly easy to perform, and it uses only one ball. That's right, no switching or sleight of hand needed. The ball does all of the work for you. With the purchase of the growing sponge ball, you'll gain access to a complete online tutorial that will teach you how to perform this super visual effect. You'll learn the moves, subtleties, and special techniques that will elevate your performance to the next level. Murphy's Magic welcomes you to the growing sponge ball.